3D printing has become a part of our daily life, and the Mixware HyperS 3D printer is launched to keep you innovating through varieties of materials. It is very smart and easy to operate, which can provide you with excellent visual printing effects and high-strength, high-temperature resistant nylon plastic from mechanical testing. HyperS features a 3.5-inch color touchscreen, user-friendly interactive UI, self-test mode, and semi-automated debugging mode, high-performance M4 core processor, and noiseless driver. In addition, HyperS employs a sophisticated linear guide and easily removable print platform. To eliminate user anxiety about filament anomalies, the right side comes with a sophisticated filament detection device for more accurate automatic leveling. There is a probe leveling device under the nozzle with a unique Mixware compression switch. Thanks to the lightweight design of integrated excellent extrusion and nozzle, it can easily print ordinary PLA materials, flexible TPU material, wear and heat-resistant materials, engineering plastics like nylon carbon fiber, and nylon glass fiber. With the help of the filament dryer, you can print these materials more easily and freely. You can also use HyperS to create a sports brace with nylon carbon fiber printed support and a lightweight TPU printed armrests, which is strong enough to support an adult. With design-guided carabiner in the base, you can install and boot up HyperS in only 10 minutes. To unleash children's imagination and remove the obstacles to use 3D printers, we also launched safe and reliable Mixware Wand 3D printer for kids and beginners. Featuring super simple push-button operation, large save view window, lightweight platform, unique lighting and fully automatic leveling. It can solve any leveling troubles by just clicking 2 buttons and making fun with your printed toys. Although small, Wand is made of strong materials. The unique Mixware Double Z lifting structure, precise linear slide, and core XY motion structure allow Wand to deliver excellent printing results. Wand also adopts a wholly imported ST microelectronics 32-bit RISC core, a 160 MHz ST microelectronic CPU, and a Renamix Stealth Chop silent stepper motor with 32 micro steps, which can eliminate your noise troubles indoors. About Mixware team, we take care of everything from R&D to manufacturing, and we keep experimenting and creating to provide you with better quality and printing experience. Mixware HyperS and Mixware Wand will bring you a new and more comfortable 3D printer interactive experience. This is what Mixware believes in. Now, we need your support. Back us on Kickstarter today and start your wonderful 3D printing journey now.